Nature of physical laws. One of the facts observed by the physicist is that during a physical phenomenon governed by different forces, several quantities may change with time, but some special physical quantities remain constant with time. They are called conserved quantities of nature, and this is called law of conservation. There are four laws of conservation in classical physics. Law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to another. That is, the total sum of all kinds of energy in this universe remains same. For example, when an object is falling freely under gravity and released from rest, the initial potential energy is completely converted into the kinetic energy, and just before it hits the ground, potential energy of the body is completely converted into kinetic energy. Thus, both kinetic energy and potential energy of the object change with time, but their sum remains constant. Law of conservation of mass. Earlier, it was assumed that mass is indestructible, and law of conservation of mass states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. But Einstein's theory of relativity mass energy relation E equal to mc square, where m is the mass and c is the speed of light in vacuum, modified it. For example, in an exothermic reaction, the total binding energy of the reacting molecules is less than the total binding energy of the product molecules. The difference appears as heat energy. Law of conservation of momentum. Momentum is the quantity of motion of a moving body, generally measured as the product of mass and velocity of the body. It is a vector quantity. Momentum of an isolated system is also conserved. Momentum can be classified into two types, and laws of conservation is valid for both of them. Law of conservation of linear momentum. This law states that if no external force acts on a system, then its linear momentum remains constant. Sigma f external equal to 0, then P equal to constant, where P equal to momentum. Example, a rifle gives backward kick on firing a bullet. Before firing, both bullet and the rifle are at rest, and initial momentum of the system is 0. As soon as bullet is fired, it moves forward with a large velocity. In order to conserve momentum, the rifle moves backward with such velocity that the final momentum of the system is 0. Law of conservation of angular momentum. It states that if no external torque acts on a system, then its angular momentum remains constant. Sigma f external equal to 0. Sigma torque external equal to 0. Then L equal to angular momentum equal to constant. Example, when a planet approaches the sun while revolving in its elliptical orbit, the moment of inertia of the planet about the sun decreases. To conserve the angular momentum, its angular speed increases. A body rotating about an axis has a rotational inertia called moment of inertia. Also, it is associated with a momentum called angular momentum. Law of conservation of charge. It states that the net charge of an isolated system remains constant. Example, electric charge is conserved during fission of uranium 92 235 nucleus by a neutron. Uranium 92 235 plus neutron 01 gives barium 56 141 plus krypton 36 92 plus 3 neutron 01 plus energy. Total charge before fission equal to total charge after fission. So 0 plus 92 equal to 56 plus 36. Universality of law of conservation. Laws of conservation are the most significant laws in science, as these laws are universal, ranging from microscopic level to macroscopic level. It often happens that we cannot solve the full dynamics of a complex problem involving different particles and forces. The conservation laws can still provide useful results in practice. Conservation laws are closely related to the symmetries of the nature. The symmetries of space, time, and other types of symmetries have played an important role in developing the modern theories of fundamental forces. Thank you very much.